Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Malik. Today's gonna be a dope day. Today we're dropping off EVOGIO, the guy that was in my previous video, his Supra for body and paint. So stay tuned.
Is that a Supra? A Supra?
Oh my god, is a Supra in the bank?
Dude, is this a Supra?
Wow! Is that a Supra?
Dude, is it a Supra? Dude, is this a freaking Supra? A Supra?
Oh my god, is a Supra in the bank?
Dude, is this a Supra?
Wow!
Trash.
I'm excited.
Hey, Liddy. We're out here at World Auto Body Paint. Make sure you grab your GHS hoodies.
No, it doesn't have a motor or transmission.
It's like the Fast and Furious when he's like, this is your 10-second car.
Yeah.
He opens the hood. That's exactly what it is.
I think
That moment
Drop it over here, we'll push it in, I guess.
And you're
Okay.
Vin Diesel.
Hov is Vin Diesel, guys. This is Hov.
Diesel, yeah. You have to drop an engine and everything.
To make it a 10-second car. Exactly.
That's
Just
a
like
10-second
Fast and
car.
Furious.
Hey, but you know when he sits in it, it's gonna be a 20-second car. Maybe 30. Bro, even my Supra is better than this shit.
Can we have him say that? Like, look at it and say, this is your 10-second car.
Yeah, hey, right here. This is good.
What's this?
Alright, what it is?
This is your 10-second car.
My 10-second car.
This is it right here. You don't see the potential?
Pop the hood. Pop the hood. Pop the hood. Guys, so this car is completely gutted. Literally nothing in the car. No seats. Everything. He's about to paint the exterior, the interior, all of that. It's about to be such a dope process. I can't wait for him. This is about to be so lit. Trash, it's an automatic.
Fuck, it's heavy.
Aquí va a quedar.
Ya. Y ahora ya lo bajamos a 60.
That was a hassle.
We got it.
To the soul.
That bar is though.
Give you $1,000
You know it's legit when it has
He's never gonna grab again.
None of that fake shit.
none of that fake shit.
Gio, give me like 5 minutes and then drop it up.
What?
Let him put it out the cars.
Okay.
And then put it away for now. Oh, we need this shit again. Don't tell me to be wide body.
Huh?
Wide body or
No, regular. No white body. He's like,
Fuck that. He's like, not wide body. Not wide body, not today.
Ese lo quiero poner aquí adentro, pero está Well, that shit's so expensive, bro.
Oh, that's the quarter, bro.
Hey, just the side skirts in here?
Yeah, I got side skirts in there. I have the rear bumper at home.
Bro, this is what I want. This is the bar side skirts are what I want. Front lip?
Yep. He said that shit look expensive.
That shit definitely is. Ooh.
Nope. Side skirts.
Okay, well, we won't touch this shit for sure.
Yeah, no. Then let's open that thing right there.
There you go.
Has the hardware and everything.
Yep.
Hey bro, your car won't be ready for like 4 months. Let me just get these.
You're crazy as fuck.
Yeah. Oh bro, your memory card is full.
Is it?
Yeah.
Delete some of the old videos. Shit, you want to put the bumper in here too?
Yeah, if anything, yeah.
So expensive, bro.
Oh, that's the quarter, bro.
Hey, just the side skirts in here?
Yeah, I got side skirts in there. I have the rear bumper at home.
Bro, this is what I want. This is the bar side skirts are what I want. Front lip?
Yep. He said that shit look expensive.
That shit definitely is. Ooh.
Nope. Side skirts.
Okay, well, we won't touch this shit for sure.
Yeah, no. Then let's open that thing right there.
There you go.
Has the hardware and everything.
Yep.
Hey bro, your car won't be ready for like 4 months. Let me just get these.
You're crazy as fuck.
Yeah. Alright guys, so that's the end of today's video. Make sure you guys go subscribe to EVOGIO, check out his content, and obviously make sure you subscribe to him. If you guys haven't already, make sure you like and subscribe to my channel as well to see, you know, Supra content and other JDM and just car shows and stuff like that. Alright you guys, later.